Welcome back to 5S in the Workplace Training. In this introduction section, I'm going to cover some definitions of value, talk about the methodology of 5S, and I'll also discuss how our mindset impacts 5S implementation. Let's think about how your organization can become more valuable to your customers by viewing value from their perspective. There are three definitions of value. Value added is an activity that transforms material or information to meet the customer's requirements. Non-value added is an activity that uses time, resources, or space, but does not add value to the product. A good way to think about this is, if the customer saw what you are doing, would they be willing to pay for it? Business value added is an activity that does not add value to the product, but is required because of accounting rules, government regulations, or industry standards. The goal is to eliminate non-value added activities. What is the 5S methodology? 5S is a technique for creating and maintaining an organized, high-performing, clean, and safe work area. 5S exposes non-value added activities and makes recurring problems immediately visible. 5S is a process to organize and standardize the workplace to reduce variation. 5S is a new culture where everybody understands and manages their own work in a continuous improvement environment. 5S gives all associates pride and ownership in their workplace. And 5S increases communication by providing critical information and making it easier to understand what should be done, how it should be done, when it should be done, and who should do it. 5S is about measuring and communicating performance. Why should we measure performance? Well, our customers measure us, so we should measure ourselves. Measurements send a message to everyone as to what is important to the customer and to the company. Measurements define what is expected. So what is visual management and why should I care? Visual management and controls tell us the status of a process and how work should be done. Visual management communicates information quickly and clearly, helps locate things and places, provides instructions, and makes problem areas readily visible. When we think about 5S, it helps to think about the purpose of each S. Let's start with sort. Sort, when in doubt, throw it out. Set in order, a place for everything and everything in its place. Shine is inspection through cleaning, and standardize means standard work. Sustain is continuous improvement. We are never finished with 5S. We are constantly seeking to improve our work areas and how we get things done. If you want to create a continuous improvement culture, you will have to confront a barrier. The barrier you'll run into is mindset. What is mindset? Mindset is a set of beliefs held by a group of people. Have you ever heard this said in your work area? That's the way we've always done it. What this means is that a mindset is a set of traditions that are so ingrained in our thinking that it creates powerful incentives to continue to engage in prior choices and behaviors, even when those behaviors lead to poor results. You will have to overcome the "that's the way we've always done it" mindset. Your organization might have a mindset with some of the following characteristics. We don't create a sense of who we are and what we do. We don't use standards to make key processes easily understood. We make decisions based only on our opinions. We only communicate verbally. We don't make customer satisfaction easily visible to everyone. Can we change our mindset? Can we recreate a sense of who we are and what we do? Can we start using standards to make key processes more easily understood? Will we make decisions based on what we see and not only on our opinions? In other words, can we let the data lead us? Can we communicate not just verbally but also in writing with charts and graphs? Can we make customer satisfaction more easily visible to everybody? Can you change your mindset about 5S, where sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain activities become the way things are done around here, where we as a team identify opportunities to improve our work areas. Can we create the 5S mindset? This is the end of the introduction section. In the next section, we will cover the pre-5S tasks.